This new folding electric motorcycle can fit in your car's trunk. Oh, I love it.
You like it, right?
I like the design here.
I chose this story just because of looks.
I know. I can tell.
Very cool.
I like the yellow panel on the side and the fonts on there, and I like the boxiness of it. Now, to call it a motorcycle is a bit of a stretch. It's sort of somewhere between like a motorcycle and a scooter, I guess. Chinese motorcycle maker Filo has just unveiled its newest model at the Tokyo Motor Show, and it's basically a modern-day take of an old classic from Honda known as the Moto Compo. I knew it had a retro feel to it of sorts.
Yeah.
And that's what they went for. The Fellow 2M may just be the electric Moto Compo you didn't know you needed. So all the way back in 1981, look at that beauty over there. Wow. That'll take you back. Just look how small it is.
Uh-huh.
It's the size of a car door in terms of length. Now, obviously, that one was gas-powered. This one is kind of more inspired by, and it will be electric-powered. I'd like to just scoot around in this place with one of those. It weighs a mere 37 kilos or 82 pounds. It's even lighter than the original Moto Compo's 90 pounds or whatever it was. The M1 uses a tiny full-suspension frame and replaces the original combustion engine with a 1,000-watt peak-rated electric motor. 48-volt and 20-amp-hour battery provides around 1 kilowatt of capacity, good for 100 kilometers of range. Nice little commuter. You go 50 kilometers an hour on that. I guess you wear a helmet, and look at when it folds down.
Yeah.
It almost looks like a little bot when it folds down.
Like
a little R2-D2 type deal.
Yeah. And there's patterns on it just to make it,
Oh, someone
personal.
says 15 mile per hour is top speed. Why did I feel like I saw 50? Maybe that was for the old model. Wow.
Look at that.
Transformer mode.
And you just put it in your car.
Yeah, you do. Where do I carry it to in my car, though? Where am I bringing it?
Maybe a road trip.
All right. I don't know.
Well,
I don't know.
someone will find a use.
I like it, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. I put it in the car, and then what do? I go to the countryside because then
Yeah, get some fresh air.
is that what I do? Oh, someone's fishing on it over there.
Or bring it to work.
So they're taking it camping here. It's odd.
Yeah.
It's curious.